Because it's good in you know, like there's still
nowhere to go.
Turn it on, stick it in. Mix and match.
Okay, I'm literally, so I'm checking, I'm trying to cancel my reservation.
Join there.
First I saw anyway for the money maker. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Not bad. Let's make it interesting for the final one. My guy Josh just dropped away. He's gonna do one. Yes, we're gonna make it interesting for this last one. I'm gonna keep this safe in my short head. Alright, go ahead and throw it straight towards my face. Ready? 1, 2. So to help out with this trick, we're beautiful and talented at the same time. Look at that multitasking. Great work. Now what I'm going to do is light this on fire and do this trick. You do all three things at once. It requires immense control of breath, balance, and timing. You can only see this trick at this show right here. I've been in circus arts almost 10 years. This is the result of it. Are you ready to see it? Yeah! Oh, come on. Are you ready to see it? Yeah! Did you have fun so far? Yeah! It's that guy. Okay. All right, let's try this again. If you're ready to see it, say yeah! Yeah! If you had fun, say yeah! Yeah! If you're ready to give me a bunch of money, say oh yeah! Oh yeah! Good. I'm glad we're all on the same page. If you all have money, it's okay, folks. I have a card reader. And no one is laughing now, okay. Guys, I am a professional. This is what I do for a living. Nobody pays me to be here but you guys, so thank you so much for coming to the show. But don't rely on Westminster Council to make this work and continue for others at the end. If you guys came to London for entertainment, you pay everybody £20 for this indoors, which I think it is worth. If you can't afford that, try and at least give the cost of a pint in a pub out here, which you will not see this in any pub, I will say that. I think it's at least as enjoyable as that, and it would make a huge difference in most of our days. So guys, please do the right thing at the end. Come forward, I will put the fire out, it will be safe. Now let's not waste any more time, the fire is burning, oh my God. I gotta get my balance so I don't die while we do this. Everybody, do me a favor, clap. Louder!
Oh my Lord!
Guys, that was my show. Thank you so much for being here. You made it happen. Please come forward now. This is the time to keep this going for others. I really appreciate you being out here. I've got my hat, got my card reader. First one forward is always the best looking. And it's this guy right here. Thank you very much, sir. What a legend. Thank you so much. Everything you put in your hand, totally tax-free. Thank you, guys. And good karma. I take multiple currencies. I do take American currency as well. Thank you, sir. Take it down. I do take euros as well. Anything you can put in the hat, 10 euros for my guy over here. Look at that.